Assalamu alaikum, class 3. We were studying about light and shadow. We studied everything about light. We studied about sources of light. We studied about luminous objects, for example, sun and the stars and the fireflies, and everything is which gives us light is luminous. Candles, lights, and bulbs. And we studied about the intensity of light also, that whenever the whenever we are we are near the source of light. For example, if there is a bulb and we are standing near the bulb, what happens is that the intensity of light will be more. It means the light will be strong, like strong light. When you go away from that bulb, the light will become less. Understand? Slowly and slowly the light will become less intense. Intense means less. Less intense means less light. More intense means more light. So when you are standing near the bulb, the light is more intense. When you are standing away from the bulb, the light is less intense. It means the light is less. Okay. So now we are going to learn about transparent materials. Transparent materials like glass let light to pass through them. You have many transparent materials at home. For example, the window the windows are sometimes the window glasses are transparent. It means you can see through them. That is why, because the light can pass through it. The glasses of the cars are transparent. If the glass is white, if the glass of the car is white, it is transparent. It means the light can pass through it. Translucent material like tissue paper and some of the glasses are also translucent. Translucent materials like tissue paper let only some light to pass through. So those materials which are going to allow some of the light to pass through them are known as translucent materials. And opaque materials like wood do not let any light to pass through. Some materials are opaque and they are not going to allow any light to pass through them. So we were studying about transparent materials and translucent materials. See, this is a transparent material, so all the light is going to pass through it. Understand? And we can see everything from the transparent material. For example, glass. Translucent material means some of the light is going to pass through it and some of it will not pass through it. So we can see half, like we cannot see clearly, but we can see half. An opaque material means wood. No light is going to pass through it. Understand? No light is going to pass through it and we cannot see through opaque materials. See, they are showing you an example here. See, this is a transparent material, so you can see the cow through it because the light is passing through the glass. This is a glass, so you can see the cow. This is a tinted glass. Tinted glass means sometimes through the windows you can see half of the material, and you can see half of the things and you cannot see half of the things. So when something is not clearly seen, it means that it is translucent. Sometimes the cars also have translucent glasses, and that is why we cannot see the material. So see, you sometimes you see black things and sometimes you see unclear things. Sometimes uh, the glasses of the windows are also translucent, and this is, see, opaque. No light is going, but light is not passing through the curtain, so the curtain is an opaque material, so we cannot see the cow through the opaque material. Understand? Now coming towards our lesson, shadows. Now we studied about translucent material, transparent materials. Now we are going to study about shadows. Because light travels in a straight line, if the rays are blocked, so I told you how the rays are going to get blocked. Because of some opaque material, a dark area of shadow is created. So when the light is blocked, a shadow is created. When you are standing in front of light, when you stand in front of light, in front of bulb, in front of tube light, in front of a lamp, what happens? You see your own shadow. Why? Because your body is blocking the light rays, and that is why we see shadow. When the light falls on an object, a shadow can be seen. When the light falls on an object, a shadow can be seen on the surface directly behind the object. If the surface is close to the object, the shadow is the same size as or a little bigger than the object itself. Understand? If the surface is further away, the shadow appears much larger. So see here, at midday. Midday means, see the time when it is 12 o'clock. At midday, when the sun is over the head, so see the sea is here, the sun is here, the shadows are short. See the shadow, this is short. But when the in the morning and the evening, what happens during the morning? The sun is here, and what happens in the evening? The sun is here. Understand? So during the morning and the evening, the sun is low over the horizon. It means low over the horizon means this area or this area. When the sun is here or when the sun is here. In the morning the sun is here because it is going to rise, and in the evening the sun is here because it is going to set. So the shadows are long. In the morning the shadows are long, in the evening the shadows are long. At midday, see at 12 o'clock, at midday the shadows are going to be short. Understand?